Alright guys, welcome back to a video from Realtv01, Daniel. As y'all know, I had told y'all that I had been experiencing some mechanical issues there, which was, in fact, I just needed to tune up on the car. I had made a appointment to get a tune-up done, but unfortunately, I'm running into some riprap with that. So I said I know how to do it, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it. But just so y'all know, I'm a booger out my nose. But anyway, just letting you know, that's the reason why I hadn't been on. You know, I told you in one of the videos there where we was looking at the abandoned McDonald's video. We was doing that one. So I said I'd do it myself when I got time to do it. I knew how to do it. It's just it takes time to do it. But at least when it gets done, it'll be done right, and I can be assured that everything will be okay. So I'm not going to do a full something like a tutorial. I'm not trying to do that at all, but I'm just showing you what I'm dealing with. So we're gonna pause real quick. Okay, so in my so-called shed-like garage, it's really a garage, but whatever. You can see around it, stuff in there, but I have no concrete floor. It's just gravel floor, but whatever. Show y'all this real quick. What I'm gonna do, I have to start by disconnecting these lines. Now, as you can see, just to get to these first three here, I have to disconnect this little line here off the air intake, move it over. I can get these done here, change all three of those, but get this now in order to get to the ones that's at the back, because this is a front wheel drive, and I believe most of the engines is like this anyway. They had this big plenum on top of the cylinders, and then to get to those, you see the plugs is at the back, and the only way to get to that is to remove this plenum here off of the top to get to the ones in the back. There's absolutely no other way to do it there, because it's so compact in these newer cars up there. But I got to do all that, and I'll probably come on here and there and show you where I made progress in doing so. But I'm gonna try to get this done real quick without messing up. I can tell you one thing: the less you have to take off of, the better the deal goes. So, but there's mostly hoses to try to get to this stuff. I'm planning on putting some gaskets, most likely as well, on this. Supposed to change like 30-some thousand miles, and this is overdue. It's got about 35, I want to say, on it though. But when I get ready to go crank it up, I'll show you it just how much miles it had got on before it had started misfiring. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done, guys, so we can get back on the road up there. We've been off a long time, and I think it's time that we get back on the air, so stay tuned. All right, guys, real quick, you can see I'm already into it, getting this stuff in place. I want on the side after all gonna start getting the front one done. And as you can see here, this is the first spark plug I pulled out since it had a 2008. It's not bad, depending on the fuels you use. I have to show you that now. When I put them back in though, it's gonna focus now. Though I really don't have nothing I can set it to hold it. But on these threads, put you some anti-seize on them. I keep hearing rumors about a lot of people don't like to waste time, but they put that anti-seize on it so they don't risk rusting out in there and getting stuck. But anyway, this is another little quick update on where we're at in the progress going on getting these three changed out. This is your ignition coil up there. I got some replacements up there. I've been looking at the insides of them and stuff, trying to see what they looking like and whatnot. This one is looking pretty fair though, but I will examine all of them up there, see what they do, you know, what they looking like, and I'll replace them there. I know the ones at the back is getting replaced, all three for sure. That way, put it back on, it's still a problem. I know it's something going on with the ones in the front, and then I'll go by replacing those. So that's if anything wrong with them. But if you can get them, it'll be about, like on this vehicle, a total set of 6 of them will cost about $600 some to put on there and stuff. I know many saying wait up to 100,000 miles or so and get it though, but I say if you got the opportunity to do it now, go for it. So anyway, that's the update on that. Well guys, that's where we're at so far. I got one more spark plug here to change out, and that'll be the end of that. Then I will change these gaskets here. They really, it looks okay because it's only got 30,000 miles. Usually change them out like at 100,000. They usually be good and worn by then, but I will think hard on it, and I might go here and just do it anyway, just to be on the safe side while it's loose now. But this is not something you're gonna do every month or something like this. This is every like 30,000 miles. When you do the tune-up, you take the opportunity to think of having these done. So I probably end up doing it. I'm sorry about the camera work because I'm looking all over the place. My mind's on reassembling this back up, trying to get through with it. It's not too killing hot today, but it's enough. But yeah, I mean, it's coming along pretty good. And I will I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. It's gonna be kind of short, and I might come on at the end when it's, yeah, I'm gonna come on it at the end when it's done, show you it running. Okay, check out it. Well, hello everyone, welcome back. Well, I have completed the spark plug change for this tune-up. I'm going to put away a few tools real quick, get you some close-ups and stuff. Remember, all this was out. Plenum had to be removed to get to the spark plugs that was in the back. All the front was changed. I went on and put 3 new ignition coils on the back just to be safe. And if there's still any kind of misfire going on, I'll know that it's either one of these here. But everything looks pretty good. I'm not really expecting to have any problems with the coils really that much because this is only 30 some thousand miles on the vehicle, and usually you can really expect the troubles and things to begin more in around when it's in the 100,000 mile range. So I just did that to be on the safe side, and I kept all the 3 cars I pulled out the back and get them tested there, see if they're still any good, and I'll just be on the safe side. So if it is still doing any kind of hesitation or its way of telling you that it's misfiring, then I will change these ignition coils at the front, but it won't be hard to get to them. I won't have to take all of this off to get to these. All I have to do is take this hose and move it over, and then I'll have the access back to get to the front ones. But I don't expect to have any problems out of this, but we'll find out. And stay tuned. We can get my tools all collected and make sure I got everything like a surgeon, even though sometimes they miss stuff. But get my tools collected, put up, and then I'll crank it to see what would sound like. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, I sweated a bum here today. Whew, I got to get my face clean today. Look like a hot mess, but yeah, guys, I got the tune-up completed, and as promised, I was gonna crank up to show y'all what the results is. Y'all be hearing it for the first time from me. The motor hasn't run in almost a month, so we'll see what happens. If this thing work, guys, we're gonna be back on the road. Try to get this set up here. Leaning out. Maybe that'll do. Let's see. That's a good view. Alright, cranking for the first time. We do one more pre-check. Okay, see no bolts. I didn't need none up there. No, I ain't start. Okay, one final check. Most likely gonna wind up doing an oil change too, because it's sitting up so long. They'll probably call for one. Let me open this up door real quick to get some ventilation. Right, see what this will do. See all my keys, other keys. All right. All right, sound good, guys. But as I said, it's probably what's gonna call for oil change, and which it did. I do have the oil, and I'm going to do that. But the main thing is, I appreciate y'all for tuning in for this. This means we're back on the road, guys. Getting ready for some filming up there. It's probably gonna happen around maybe November. That's probably when I'll be getting back out on the road. So I just want to thank everybody. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I am humbled, and I thank you so much. I just can't thank you enough. 530 or so something. It's probably more now since this filming. I'm just delighted, to have y'all join the family, and I'm gonna try to bring some more good contents. I hope y'all enjoying them shorts too. I'm learning how to do that editing and whatnot going on. And we back. All right. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have one video in this car riding around. Maybe somewhere through next week, if not sooner. I'll probably go out tomorrow and do it, and most likely I will have it on too, maybe by the weekend. So but we'll see. But like I say, it's done. It's running good, and I'm gonna let it warm up good. Probably drive it around the block, see how it's doing, and then come back, change the oil. But I won't have that on video. So, but just this part, this is a moment here, because anyway, peace. See y'all next time. All right, guys, finish the video out. You can see here, supposed to change it about do your tune-up. This car about 30,000. I've been about 6 miles over. So yeah, if y'all heard what I heard today when the car broke down up there, y'all can understand. But so like I say, I got tune-up bid, oil change is part of the tune-up. Make sure that the mechanic does that when they do the tune-up. But anyway, yep, got it done. Y'all can see I am whooped. But like I say, thank you for the 500 subscribers. At 5:30 something. It might be more now. Can't keep up with it. But thank you. And like I said, we back. Peace.